love to draw people. Therefore, in this video, I am putting forward easy rules to draw anyone. Let's start off with some basic figures of people. I hope you'll enjoy seeing this video. So, rule number 1. Make sure you make small oval shaped head and slanting shoulders for people. Don't make the head too big, and also see that the neck is not too long, because this really does not look like a person anyways. Rule number 2 is shadows. Identify where the light is coming from and cast your shadows, because this will definitely enhance the image. Determine whether the area on the object receives light or not, and then go for it. Rule number 3 is very simple. Make the image of the person look tall and slimmer. Rule number 4 is eye level. It is a point at which we are looking people at. So all the heads from far will be at the same height. So this is just a simple trick whenever you are sketching. I'm just making random people with different poses here. Firstly, I'm making a person walking away. You can see I'm using very wonky lines, not too straight, just giving some details here and there. So don't just go for very straight images when you're sketching. Just look in some proportions, and then it's okay if you're vary some proportions here and there, that's totally fine. You can see the person which I'm sketching now is running, one leg is up and then one leg is forward. So see all that, keep all that in your mind and memorize these images so that you can easily sketch on paper. I'm sketching a woman now who is walking. Once you observe people around, you'll definitely have an idea of their legs, if their toes are up or down, or if their heels are up or down. So observe little things. She's holding mobile in her hand and then she's looking into it. So you can see I've slanted her head little, and also she's wearing a bag. And one more thing to remember is, see that the more stylish your people look, the less you need to worry about their proportions and angles. So make it look more stylish. And if you are sketching a person who is walking straight, make sure the legs are combined, like just put one line in center to combine both the legs. That will be an easy trick to sketch. Each person has different way of sketching. For me, I like to sketch in loose, simple way. So I think even once you get practice to it, you'll definitely get to know your own way of sketching. So if you look at the reference image here, you can see people are standing in a line or queue. You can see from far, all the heads are almost at the same height. So this is what I was speaking about, the eye level before. This is in one point perspective which I showed you now. So I hope you'll get to know some whenever you're sketching again. So yeah, let's sketch some easy people now. With simple strokes, you will be able to draw a person in seconds. It's that easy, right? I think you can use this kind of people whenever you're not too much concentrated on people and you're just concentrating too much on other subject like building or any other architectural fields. You can easily sketch a large group or crowd. Just keep on connecting with single leg at the sides whenever you're drawing and then add in some shadows. This is super easy and fun, guys. Almost any skill level can try this out. And you can see there are more lively and then it looks like people are walking and dancing sometimes. So let's jump into watercolor paint now. I have everything ready here, paints and my brush is also ready. So let's get started with some cool people. I'm making small head now with navy blue color, just small dot, and I'm making body of the image. Once I'm comfortable with the whole body, I'm just giving some details. You can pick on any colors you want, just make sure it's not too bright, just keep it light, and if you want to add some more layers you can add it when it is light. Another person who is facing towards the second one. These watercolor sketches are like so simple, anyone can do. I hope you can easily guess what I'm sketching now. A man standing facing towards the other person. So if you want to sketch a person and then if you want to give some skin tone, skin color for face, you can go with orange or some yellow ochre. Leave some white spaces here and there to make it look more enhancing look. So let's go and paint more people. I think each image you do will be an improvement from the before paint. Add in some shadows. Shadows also you can use navy blue color or dark colors or just plain black if you want. A person wearing hat, and if you see I have left white space for face. I'm not doing any detail there. That will also be a good idea sometimes. Add in some shadow and finish it off. And I have a hack here for drawing more easy people in group with watercolors. Just add in some paint on paper and fill in some paint. See that the way it spreads so nicely, and after which you can really add in your own creative side and give the shape to the paint. So whenever it is blending with other colors, let it bleed. That will also look great. Yeah, these people are so nice. Both of them are walking together. It's very simple and easy. I hope you're enjoying seeing this and also painting them. See you in the next video.